Understanding the phrase, showdown, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, showdown. This is a term you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out together. The term, showdown, originally comes from the world of poker, a popular card game. In poker, a showdown is the moment when players reveal their cards to determine the winner of the round. However, in everyday English, the term has taken on a broader meaning. A showdown is a decisive confrontation or contest between opposing parties. It is the moment when a situation comes to a head, and a resolution is reached. This could be a confrontation between two people, a final part of a competition, or any other situation where there is a direct confrontation. To help you understand better, let's go through some examples. 1. The two political candidates had a showdown during the final debate, each trying to prove their points and win over voters. 2. After months of tension, the two rival soccer teams will have a showdown next week to decide the champion. 3. The employees had a showdown with management over the new policies, expressing their dissatisfaction. In each of these sentences, showdown is used to describe a crucial moment of confrontation or decision-making. Understanding synonyms can also help expand your vocabulary. Some synonyms for showdown include confrontation, a face-to-face meeting between opposing parties; clash, a fight or argument between two opposing groups or individuals; face-off, a direct confrontation or competition. And that wraps up our discussion on the term showdown. Remember, this phrase is used to describe a decisive moment of confrontation, whether it be in a personal argument, a political debate, or a sports competition. Understanding these phrases can really help in grasping the nuances of English, making you sound more like a native speaker. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.